Do you have an online business such as a blog or an e-commerce business and you want to scale it to another level while increasing your revenue and making more sales daily? In this video, I will share everything you need to know about the Genius Blogger Toolkit bundle that is available for only a few days this year. In this bundle, you will get the best business resources that have helped me grow my online business and that can help you as well. Not only will they teach you how to start a blog and monetize it, but it will teach you how to grow that business of yours, and it includes a bunch of resources and courses at a special sale price you don't want to miss. So the Genius Blogger Toolkit is a bundle of resources for business owners and bloggers that is only available for 7 days this year. The sale starts today and ends September 27th. The entire bundle is full of online courses, eBooks, resources, checklists or templates, and many more bonuses, all that are worth over $6,000 now you can get for only $97. You can check out the entire bundle at the link in the description, and before you leave and you think this is not a bundle for you or these resources are not accurate, I'm also a contributor to this year's bundle with my 65 plus Pinterest graphic templates and my Pinterest workbook. So it is real. The resources are really worth that much. My templates, for example, are $48 and my workbook is $14. So you can get the entire full pack of resources for only $97. So my suggestion is go check out the bundle at the link in the description and see everything that is included. But also let me tell you a few reasons why I think you should check out this bundle and get it for your business growth. The first reason why you should check out this bundle and buy it for your business is the amount of basically free resources that you're getting, because all the resources are worth over $6,000, but you're getting them for $97. You will have full access to the courses, ebooks, workbooks, templates, and much more. The next reason is the knowledge and expertise that the creators of the resources have. All of them are either experienced bloggers or entrepreneurs that are making thousands per month with their business. So if you want to do the same, all you need to do is listen to their advice that is included so beautifully in their online courses or resources. For example, another contributor to this year's bundle is Anna from the She Approach that you might have heard of, and her Affiliate Purge Challenge is included in this year's bundle. It is an online course that will teach you anything you need to know about selling more products and making more money with affiliate marketing. The next reason is that you will probably not get this chance again to get these resources at this price. Each year's bundle is different, each year's contributors are different, so if you see an online course you really wanted to take for a long time, now it is the time to invest in it and to invest in growing your business. Now if you're wondering, okay, but what is actually included in this year's toolkit, what will I be learning about? You will learn how to use affiliate marketing properly to grow your business. You will learn how to start, how to master blogging, and how to make money with your blog. You will learn how to start online courses and profit from them, how to start a podcast, how to start and grow an email list for your business, how to make sure that your blog or business are fully legal, how to buy niche sites and sell them from profit. This is an online course by Chelsea Clark from her paper route. It is an amazing course that is worth almost $1,000 that you will be getting again included in this bundle for only $97. You will get productivity and organization planners that will help you grow your blog and keep it organized. You will learn anything you need to know about SEO for your blog or website, how to build a money-making blog. You will get amazing social media templates for Pinterest, Instagram, and more, and how to use this platform to grow your online business. You will get courses on how to optimize your WordPress site, how to use Canva for business, and much more. Plus, you will get a bunch more bonuses from partners of the bundle and much more that you can check out at the link below. And remember, all for only $97. So if there was a perfect time to start investing in your business and in growing your blog and making more money online, it is right now. So again, don't forget to check out the entire bundle at the link below, see what is included, see if you're interested, and if you are, make sure to purchase it because it will only last for 7 days. So there you go, this is what's included in the Genius Bloggers Toolkit this year and how it will help you grow your business. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next one.